Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let us introduce member of group 13. Hello, my name is Mesa Satma Atmadita.
Hello, my name is Yadahani Nadia Ulhaq.
Hello, my name is Ayong Permata Narinda.
Hi, my name is Mary Widyadara.
We are from Department Geophysical Engineering. We will discuss about passive geophysical methods. Before discussing about passive geophysical methods, what is geophysics? Geophysics is a part of the earth science that studies the earth using physical rules. The geophysical method is split into two of these are active method and passive method. Active method is a method that is carried out by creating an artificial field and measure the response carried out by the earth. Example, seismic and geoelectric. Two passive methods. It's a method used to measure the natural field emitted by the earth. Example, gravity and geomagnetic.
Of these active and passive methods certainly have advantages and drawbacks. These are some of the advantages of passive methods, such as only require sensor and data recording equipment from natural field sources, more effective field operation, wider survey coverage area, and simple and fast interpretation settings with computational settings. Then, what are the drawbacks of these methods? The drawbacks are the noise source are difficult to control, limited data, and identification of anomalies is more difficult. There are three passive methods that will be explained in this presentation: geomagnetic, gravity, and electromagnetic methods. The first method to be discussed is the geomagnetic methods. Okay, do you know about geomagnetic methods? Let's look at an explanation of the geomagnetic methods. This method is based on measuring variation in the intensity of the magnetic field on the Earth's surface. What are the use of these methods? This method is often used for preliminary survey on exploration of petroleum, geothermal, mineral rock, and for volcano monitoring.
The next is gravity method. And what's the meaning of gravity method? Gravity method is an exploratory method that measures the gravitational field at groups of different location points in a certain area with the aim of associating variation in distribution of mass density and rock type. The tools that used in this method is a gravimeter. The basic principle of gravity methods is to take advantage of variation in density values that are distributed into each layer of the Earth. Each layer must be composed of different rock and minerals. This causes the density value to be different and can affect with variation the Earth's gravitational field. So, the parameter measured in this method is the value of the acceleration due to gravity at the survey location.
And last, the electromagnetic method. The electromagnetic method is one of a geophysical method that utilizes a natural and man-made electromagnetic wave. The purpose of this method is to determine the resistivity below the Earth's surface. Based on the electromagnetic wave, the electromagnetic method is divided into two ways. They are passive, which an example is magnetotelluric method, and active, which an example is GPR methods. Magnetotelluric is a passive electromagnetic method that measures changes in an electric and magnetic waves. By knowing the two changes in a place, it can be seen the value of the conductivity below the Earth's surface.